we're gonna take the Yoder for a little McDrivey here. Fresh rebuild, still burning off some coolant we spilled on the radiator, but whatever. It's got some squeaky brakes. Mr. Chevy here rolling in at 5 miles an hour. Yeah, I've passed him before, that's for sure. Coolant temp has remained the same since it's started warming up. It hasn't gone up, but I think the air has gone out of the coolant now. He's got to get 2 new tires in the front and the steering alignment done. His steering wheel is all off. I don't know how to adjust the mirrors. I don't know if you can adjust them. It seems to kick down decently. I'm trying to be easy on the engine and not, romp on it too hard. It is freshly rebuilt. Seems to have the usual pep that it had before. Again, it's still breaking in. Take it for a little, town drive. Just acting casual. I'm losing at him. Oh yeah. Works great. I'm not even really touching the throttle. She's cruising along pretty good. He couldn't give up. I'm going back that way. He needs a steering wheel. This car does. Well, she's broken now. ribs. He couldn't get me back there though. Okay. Gave her a few shots. Just watching the RPM. When I left the throttle, making sure it doesn't. Oh shit. Woo! What you doing? Oh, don't get pulled over. Car's not my name. This fucking guy. Well, I would say this car's good to go. I mean, I had her up to $6,000. Transmission seems to be shifting when it needs to, so I probably won't adjust that kickdown. I just don't want it to shift too early. I tried hammering on his e-brake, and I think one of his drums is pretty much done because it scratches and only one wheel was kind of grabbing, so he probably needs rear brakes. I know the front brakes are kind of crappy looking, so that'll be something I think we'll be doing a little bit later on. But for right now, she's running, she's driving, and she hauls ass. It has no problem smoking that little Honda there, so I'm just gonna pop under the hood and just make sure we're not leaking anything. Wasn't low on transmission fluid.
Wow, Captain Beefy here got some balls. I always like that when you went and let me pass. I'm like, not mother.
Oh, she went $6,000, dude. Yeah.
And I'm just like, motherfucker. I went second gear. I was like, yeah. I'm like, no, I can't. She got new motor steering.
You got Camry.
I got Camry.
You got Camry pie.
That next one, I was just like, fuck it. I'm going balls to the wall in this next one.
Yeah, I saw that. I should have turned the camera around for that because that was pretty epic. You were just smoke.
Oh, really? They saw me passing. Which way?
Yeah. Initially it was that way, so they got you trying to pass me.
Oh, really? On the second.